Hi friends, welcome to EasyMSTech. Today, this is part 3 of ASP.NET Core MVC tutorial. In this part, we will discuss how to fetch records from SQL Server database and display uh, in MVC view in ASP.NET Core MVC. Okay, in the previous part, we have discussed how to create a Hello World project and host the project in IIS. I have missed one thing during that session, and that is uh, you have to check this checkbox development time IIS support because you try the hosting in IIS. And how to do this I'll show you. Go to your control panel and then program list. Go to Microsoft Visual Studio installer entry, and here click change. You have to check that checkbox, otherwise you will get some error like unable to connect to IIS or something like that. You must have to click that checkbox before you try hosting in IIS. Okay, getting things ready. Okay, then go to more drop down. Okay, sorry, you need not to go to more option, just click modify. Go to ASP.NET and web development and expand. Here you will see development time IIS support. In development time, if you want to host your website or web application uh, developed in ASP.NET Core MVC, you have to check this checkbox for to host the web application in IIS. You must have to check this. A humble request to you, please subscribe to my channel. It will encourage me to share my coding experience with you, and thank you for watching the video. Okay, let us continue with our uh, current session. Currently I am showing in the index page only a message is executed by process name. In the last session we have discussed. In this session we will face these records contact information from the AMAC DB and will show in the view page like it is displayed here. Let us go to Visual Studio. We have run it. Currently it was just showing a message in the view page executed by process and the process name which is responsible for processing the application logic, that is W3WP. It will be displayed. Okay, the browser has launched. Let us see the output. It is taking time because my system is slow. Okay, this is showing, this message is showing, and in the body part we will show this grid, this tabular view, you can say. This data will display in this tabular format. Let us go to Visual Studio. Let us close this. We have to declare the connection string first because we are connecting the application to the database. It is showing not responding again. Okay. Let us go to the app settings.json. App settings.json is like the because I don't know why this is so slow. Okay, we have to declare the connection string here. I have already prepared the connection string to save some time. This way you have to write in this syntax. Okay, the connection strings, in the curly brackets you have to mention the name of the connection string and data source. You can put local or you can put dot also here. Both will work the same way. You can put only dot here or you can type local in the first brackets. Initial code catalog is the database name, user ID, and as a please make sure there should be a space between user ID, user and ID, and password. This trusted connection false and multiple activities are set true. Save this. Okay, and now you have to, I am going to the action method. I am removing this code, don't need this. First we have to get the connection string here. To get the connection string, we will declare a constructor here. And we'll inject a interface here, iConfiguration. Using Microsoft extension you have to include this namespace, otherwise it will not work. And we'll declare a private variable of iConfiguration type underscore config, suppose, and we'll this is one type of dependency injection. We are injecting this interface to this controller. Let us get the connection string now. I have not done the method already. This is the method to access the connection string. on str configuration is get connection string, and this name should be same with the name you declare here. These two names should be same. If it mismatch, you will get error. Okay. In this video, in this session, we will not use entity framework. In the next video, we will try entity framework. In this video, we will do the connection and fetch the data with our .NET, the method available in .NET framework only. Okay. So we'll need SQL connection. SQL connection method is not available here. We have to install couple of NuGet package to get this class available here, to make it available here. Okay, go to NuGet package, tools, NuGet package manager, manage NuGet package manager for solution. Let us save it first. Okay, please make sure browse button, browse option is selected, and type here system dot data dot SQL client, because SQL connection class is available in the SQL client namespace, and we'll need these two namespace, system.data.common and system.data.sql. One by one we will install. Select project. Okay, then click install. Make sure your internet is connected, otherwise the installing the package will be interrupted. Okay, installing. Click OK. I accept the license agreement. It is installing the NuGet package. Successfully installed. Okay. Okay, it was successfully installed. There is in the error list there is no errors. Okay, again we have to install this one also. Install. Okay, these two NuGet packages you have to install to make the process work. Otherwise you will not get some class like SQL connection, SQL command, SQL data adapter in your controller action method. Okay, it has been completed successfully. This is showing now installed, and this was also installed. Okay, let us go to the controller page now. We have the connection string now. Let us declare a SQL connection, initialize the SQL connection object, common string, we have to import the namespace here. Know the start procedure. I have already prepared the start procedure, and when we fetch these records are retrieved. Okay, let us copy the name of the start procedure and paste it here. We have to set the property command type to command type dot start procedure. We have to initialize the object of SQL data adapter. Cannot convert SQL command to string. Okay, next we have to declare a data set. We have to import the system.data namespace. Now with the help of SQL data adapter we will fill the data set. Okay, we have to create the model class. We have not created yet. Go to model folder, add new item, name of the class is contact, it has been created. I have already created the property, prepared the property, just need to copy and paste in here. So these four property of data will show in the view page: contact ID, contact name, contact mobile number, and contact email ID. Next, let us go to the home controller. We will iterate each row of the data set. For is okay. We'll declare a list variable of contact class, the model class, lst contact. There is red line because we have not included the namespace. Using face records.model, we have to import the namespace here. We have initialized the contact model class and contact dot contact ID equal to tr let us copy the contact ID, put it here. It is integer, so we have to convert it to integer data type. Next, we'll set the property contact name dot to string. Let us copy the contact name, the field name, let us set the contact mobile number, and this one is contact email ID. Let us copy the field name from the database, contact mobile number, and contact email ID. Then we have to add this contact object in the collection of contact object. Dot add cn contact. Okay, next we will return this collection of object to as a IEnumerable collection. Let us save it and go to we have to srecord dot model dot contact. We have to import it here. Then let us modify the body section. Let us dictate that the header and okay, we have 4 fields, so we are copying it 3 times. This one is contact ID, this one is contact name, contact mobile number, the third field is, and this one is contact email ID, I have to write a for loop here for each where item in model dot is this item. Let us check it. Where item in model dot this is TD. We'll have 4 TD. At the rate model dot item contact ID. Next one is contact name. Next one is mobile number. The fourth one is contact email ID. Let us do some styling. Style equal to background color, cornflower blue, color equal to white, and let us bold the text, the header text. Let us save it and run it. What we can see. Okay. Let us build it. Build started. Let us go to the build is not completed yet. Let us wait for the build to be completed, then we'll browse from the Google Chrome browser. Build succeeded. Okay, we've set the margin, top margin to 100 px. Let us go to browser and browse this. Let us see what output we can see. Hopefully it will work. Let us see. it is working fine. It is displaying as expected. Let us change the name of the bob to something else. Let us make bob to ob. Okay, and run it again, browse it again. It has changed to Bobby. It means we have the connection to the database is working as expected, and the database and the record are fetched from the database. The logic is working fine. Hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry for the slowness of my system. Please subscribe to my channel. It is a humble request to you. It will encourage me to share my coding experience, coding skills with you. Have a nice day.